Okay, before I go too far, let me just explain this. When I got here, this was already open. It wasn't open, but it wasn't latched closed. We have 3 downtones that are supposed to be working here. Fries was actually nice enough to tag them. Dub Triple O, which is this one. 7333, which is not this one. It's this one that doesn't have anything connected to it. They just left it like this. I don't know how the customer's supposed to use this line. And 7555, which is this one. So this one is labeled here, this one is labeled row, and this one is labeled there. And there's no... The downtone's working. I checked it already. But there's nothing for the customer to plug into, so how are they going to claim that that's completed work?